Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, going to get the little things house clean first, get rid of that line. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now and from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into today, 58 cents had been a good solid area of support, but now that the price broke below it during that opening part of the day right there, at this point now, if there is any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, 58 cents remains that first key level that'll need to be broken. So that is, like I said, near-term public enemy number one going into not necessarily only Monday, but all of next week. So until the price can get back above there, that is going to be that key level of resistance. As far as levels of support are concerned, keep an eye down here on 54 cents. I was going to say the price got close, and I guess it got kind of close. I mean, it didn't hit exactly, but got within the ballpark of it. But that's definitely a very, very important level. When you go back through the history of things, you can see that this area has acted as support on several different occasions. And then just to offer up a little bit more context, the other reason that's important is if the price does not hold above there, then as you see at this point, I mean, that would then be starting to put the price at lows that have not been seen since, way back here in mid-November, with that next level of support being down there around the 50-cent mark. So keep an eye on those couple levels going forward. Again, preferably speaking, stay above 54. If 54 doesn't hold, then, no such thing as a guarantee in the market, so I can't say that the price is for sure going down to 50 cents, but it wouldn't really be that shocking given, the way, the chart is currently setting up. So yeah, not the greatest way to close out the week, but we'll see what next week brings. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.